So this question says, three friends divided some apples in the ratio 3:5:7 amongst themselves. After consuming 16 apples, they found that the remaining number of apples with them was equal to the largest number of apples received by one of them at the beginning. Total number of apples these friends initially had was. So you can clearly see that this is a word problem of linear equations of class 7 or class 8 level. So I recommend you to solve these kind of questions first in the exam, because there will be certain questions which will be extremely difficult and certain questions which are extremely easy. Here the person who can solve most of the question, who can attempt most of the question is not the winner, but the one who can choose his questions in a proper way so that he can get most of them correct is going to be the winner and is going to get selected. So you have to keep in mind that these kind of questions are the questions which you need to attempt. So let's say the three friends were A, B and C. So let's say A got 3x apples, B got 5x apples and C got 7x apples. Okay, what is the total number of apples that they had initially? Total number of apples, this will be 3x plus 5x plus 7x, that will be 15x, right? Now they found that after consuming 16 apples, they found that the remaining number of apples with them was equal to the largest number of apples received by one of them at the beginning. So when they consumed 16 apples, how many they are left with? So initially they had 15x apples. When they consume 16 of them, you are left with 15x minus 16 apples. Now it says that this is equal to the largest number of apples which is received by one of them at the beginning. In the beginning, who got the largest number of apples? C got the largest number of apples, and that was 7x. So this must be equal to 7x. Now simply solve this equation. You get 15x minus 7x equals to 16. You get 8x equals to 16. So you get x equals to 2 over here. So it says the total number of apples these friends initially had. We know that it is 15x. So 15 into 2, that is 30. So initially these friends had 30 apples and they were divided accordingly. So if you write 30 as the answer to this question, you get full marks for this. Thank you very much for watching the video.